Join the Hello Win Forum, where NINZaFamily traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started.
All right, traders, Brian here with evening session. We just opened up on 5/4/2025. It's Sunday night. We're going to do some trading here with NINZA triple range Rover. What I have set up is I have higher time frame on the left and lower time frame on the right. So lock these crosshairs in. It's not shifting around. So we're actually in a good setup zone here. What I'm going to be looking at doing is, if we close up, let's go ahead and put the EOD or entry tool on here. Alright, so what we're looking for is we got a potential bullish time frame over here on the our bullish profile on the higher time frame. I'm just waiting for an entry over on the lower time frame chart. So we've got an 18.3 on the right chart, 36.6 on the left. We're just doing a little multi-time frame trading here. The reason we do that is to potentially let's go ahead and put a different 27 tick take profit on this. The reason we trade over the lower time frame is to reduce our risk and try to get more out of our normal take profit. So I'm trading, normally I trade with a 21 to 24 take profit on the higher time frame. But what we'll do here, everything's set. Now I think I'm good here, so we're just waiting for an up close. I'm going to go ahead and click the buy up over here, so in case we get some up movement on the lower time frame, we'll try to take advantage of this potentially bullish pullback. Now the minute this turns red, we're going to cancel that. All right, let's cancel. We're a simulated account. We're just demonstrating how how simple the triple range Rover system is to use. Now we're in a bearish, potentially start of a bearish trend. We've got a wick right there. We're just going to go ahead and sell down here, get a down close, and see if we can get some momentum to the downside. We get a close here on the higher time frame. It's going to negate the sell down that I have on the lower time frame chart. Closed up, so we're going to negate that and wait for the next. Well, the thing about this is it stayed red, so we're still okay and clear to take a down move until the bar turns blue. And we're scalpers. We're trying to take advantage of short-term wiggles in the market in with the trend of the higher time frame. And this bar turns blue, the background turns blue, then we'll readjust, reassess where we're at. Waiting for the paneling bar to turn blue over here before we turn the machine off on the short side. The triple range Rover keeps you on the right side of the market. You just try to keep it simple and trade in accordance with the color of the bars. It makes trading a lot more simple. Alright, we're short one. Let's see if we can get 27 ticks. We've got a 55 tick stop loss, but you know, we're scalpers. I don't want to let it go too much over that swing high. That's where I'm wrong in this trade. We're red over here. I really need to see some red candles on the lower time frame. got some red, so we can add another here. We come back up on a limit. We'll add 2. Okay, we're short 2. So we got the colors matching, short time frame, high time frame. Let's see if we can get our 27 ticks. There are all kinds of ways you can play this. This is just a very simple way here. This trade had a little more risk in it because we failed to make a lower low here. These are much better plays because they've already swept through swing lows. Clean trades right now. We're just going to play the colors to show you, demonstrate how you can use a very effective NINZA tool on a higher time frame and use the same tool on the lower time frame. Same settings. The only thing I changed in, we'll let this trade play out and I'll show you the only thing I changed here. Now if we start to make a move down, I'm going to go ahead and move this down, and in this area here, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to buy one at a 27 tick. And then I'll change this down here to reflect 1 if we get a runner. If we get close in here, I'll go ahead and move our stop loss to a break even. I don't want to get within 2 to 4 ticks of this and have it come all the way back up for a max loss. That would be ridiculous. You don't want to let anything get that close. Down there right now, we don't want it. Okay, good deal. Okay, so now we've got one, we've got a runner on, so that's excellent. We're liking a little bit more profit here. We're in good shape. Follow it down. What we'd love to do, we didn't get that right there, but that is it's a day down for me in most of my accounts. That is exactly what I'm shooting for. Try to get that easy $200 to $300 winner, and I shut it down and accounts I have linked together and move on about my day. So let's just take a quick look at how that played out. Trade performance. All right, there we go. So it's not 2 trades, 2 contracts. Net profit $220 minus commissions. So you got about minus $10. So you got $210 on a Sunday evening, and how easy it is using color codes in the higher time frame of NINZA's triple range Rover, and then using the EOB order entry tool in the triple range Rover on a lower time frame to get your daily objective. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration of these quality products from NINZA. So they make extremely efficient and effective tools to use, but it's up to you as the trader to figure out how to turn them into trading models and systems. Nobody can do that but you. So these are tools for you to use, and they're really good. I just showed you one way to use this to take out a very nice profit in a short period of time. So if you have any other questions, jump into the Hello Win forum, and there's a lot of good traders in the forum there that can help you out with any of the NINZA products. But I think that's all we have for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and sign off and wish everybody good luck in their trading.
Join the Hello Win forum and enjoy exclusive member benefits. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get started.